Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail and you already know it's a special day here at All Wings Everything when we're doing wings. I'm gonna show you guys how to make honey garlic jerk wings. Yep, add it to your arsenal. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our chicken wings. I just had like well, I wouldn't say a half a pack, but I had a Ziploc bag of chicken wings. It's probably about 14 in here, so I said let me do a wing recipe with these chicken wings I got left here. We have our honey, some minced garlic, ginger, butter, hot sauce, some Jamaican jerk seasoning. We have some Walkerwoods wet jerk seasoning, baking powder, soy sauce, black pepper, and paprika. That's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, so to get started, we're going to drizzle our chicken with a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna hit it with our black pepper, our Walkerwoods, and our baking powder. And we're gonna give this a good mix. Take a look at that. All right, we're gonna sit this aside, let those flavors come together for about 10 to 15 minutes. Go head over to our cooktop to start preparing our honey garlic sauce. All right, so at our cooktop, we're gonna start off by melting 2 tablespoons of butter. As that butter melts, we're gonna add our minced garlic. We're gonna cook this for a few minutes until we get that garlic fragrant. I added a little bit more garlic, guys. I love some garlic, man. After we get that, after about 45 seconds, we're gonna stir in our honey, our ginger, hot sauce, soy sauce, our paprika, and our jerk seasoning. And we're gonna get this mixed in like this. We're gonna let this baby simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right guys, so it looks like we're good right here. So we're gonna turn our heat off. I'm going to reserve our sauce into a measuring cup until we're ready. So now we're gonna head over to our air fryer, add our chicken pieces, because we're gonna air fry these babies. All right, so now we're at our air fryer. I've already preheated it for 5 minutes on 400 degrees. Stick these babies in here, put the function on air fryer, change our time. We're gonna let them cook for about 16 minutes. We're gonna flip them over midway through the cooking process. We're gonna pull them out after the 16 minutes, baste them in our sauce, put them back in for another 5 to 7 minutes. So let's get this baby started. All right guys, we're gonna pause our heat or air fryer right at 8 minutes. I'm gonna pull this out just a little bit. We're gonna flip these babies over. I also greased this cooking sheet with a little cooking spray so they don't stick, just so you know. All right, so we're gonna push them back in here, let them go for another 8 minutes, and we're gonna come back. All right, so we're on our not our last 8 minutes, but our final minutes after that 16 total. What we're gonna do now is take our honey garlic sauce and we're gonna brush these wings just like this. Guys, I'm gonna flip these over and do the same thing on the other side. All right, so I'm going to push this back in here. We're going to finish this up with about 7 more minutes until that internal temperature, you already know, 165, all right? All right, let's go ahead and open this baby up. Guys, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and place this pan on our cutting board so we can take a real good look at these babies. Guys, take a look at this right here, man. Take a look at that right there. That's what I'm talking about. Oh man. All right, let's go ahead and get these babies plated up so we can jump into quality control. Guys, and there you have it. Honey garlic jerk wings. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test. All right guys, it's quality control time, and not to mention Wing Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday while I'm making these babies here. Take a look at that. Honey garlic jerk, man. Does it get any jerky and garlicky than that? I'm telling you, man. Let's go ahead. And without further ado, I'm gonna grab me a drum. Y'all know I love them drums, man. I'm already getting messy around my mouth. Oh man. Oh man. We're gonna come in here with a little flat. Oh buddy. Like I said, it's so jerky, garlicky, honey. You already know how we do these wings over here. Not as spicy as I want them to be. I probably should have added a little bit more of that Walkerwoods on there. Got it spicier, but nice little touch of heat to it. So if you don't like a whole lot of hotness or heatness, whatever you want to call it, this is good for you. For me, I can add a little bit more to mine. It's still a good recipe to add to your list. So until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.